If you're thinking about buying Neurith Media SL, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before making your decision. Stick around till the end because I'll be diving deep into how it stacks up against its competitors and whether it really lives up to the hype. First, Neurith Media SL offers powerful automation tools for your marketing campaigns, but it doesn't come cheap. If you're comparing it to platforms like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, you'll notice Neurith tends to focus more on advanced features like segmentation and personalized outreach. This can make it a perfect fit if you're looking for precise targeting, but the pricing structure may feel steep for small businesses. However, they do offer a free trial, so if you're unsure, you can test it out before committing. Next thing, while it's highly customizable, Neurith Media's interface isn't the most user-friendly, especially if you're transitioning from simpler platforms like MailChimp. The learning curve can be steep, which might be a bit frustrating for beginners or anyone not familiar with marketing automation software. But once you get the hang of it, the customization is powerful, allowing you to tailor campaigns and workflows to a very granular level. The third thing to note is the data analytics and reporting capabilities. Neurith Media SL shines in this department with its detailed reports on user engagement, campaign performance, and customer behavior. If you're someone who loves diving deep into data to tweak and optimize campaigns, this is a feature you'll appreciate. However, for those who just want quick, surface-level metrics, this could feel a bit overwhelming. Now, let's talk about integrations. Unlike some competitors, Neurith Media SL integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party tools like Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Zapier. This can be a game changer if you're already using these tools in your business, as it allows you to sync all your data in one place without any hassle. But on the flip side, if you rely on niche tools, you might find some limitations with the integrations available. Moving on to customer support, this is where Neurith Media SL stands out. Their customer service is top-notch, with multiple support channels, including live chat, email, and even one-on-one consultations for those on higher-tier plans. Unlike other platforms where customer support feels more like an afterthought, Neurith really takes the time to help you out, which can save you a lot of stress if you run into issues. Next up is scalability. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, Neurith Media SL scales with your business. The platform grows as you grow, with different pricing tiers that allow you to unlock additional features when you need them. This is something you don't always get with its competitors, as some of them lock advanced features behind steep price increases. Lastly, it's important to remember the value Neurith Media SL offers in comparison to its competitors. While it may not be as well known as giants like HubSpot or Marketo, its combination of automation, reporting, integrations, and customer service makes it a strong contender in the market. If you're looking for a solution that combines all these elements at a competitive price point, Neurith may be the right fit. If you're interested in testing Neurith Media SL for yourself, you can click the first link in the description to get access to a free trial, along with exclusive benefits. This is a great way to see if it fits your needs without any risk. So, there you have it. 7 things you need to know before buying Neurith Media SL. Whether you're looking for a robust marketing automation tool or just something to get you started, make sure to check out the link below for your best free trial.